What are you doing? Oh my gosh, you just torpedoed. You torpedoed into the ground. Are you okay? Oh boy. And now she's just having a conniption. Prince of the leaves. He's Prince of the leaves. He's soupy. He's Prince of the leaves. Oh. Oh. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh jeez. Oh boy. Yeah, just another one. She's got the madness. It's something about the birds when they all get together and they start chirping, and then it's like it's a synchronizing wavelength of sonic madness. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Juno, stop. Stop whatever you're doing. Look at that. Look at that. I think, is that a, yep, that's a blip. That's a blip. Oh. Oh, Fred. Oh, big stretch, big stretch, big stretch, big stretch, big stretch. Oh. Oh. I don't know if you caught it. Secret blep. Hi, baby. I am tough. Just let me have a quick nap really quick. I will show you just how tough I am. I'm just going to just, hold on, just let me get some tough guy sleep. I don't do beauty sleep, I do tough guy sleep. Hold on, tough guy sleep. Watch out. I'll show you. The series of numbers are going to start going in their heads. I need to get out of my head, birds. Get out of my head, birds. Get out of there, birds. You ain't gonna get me. You ain't gonna control me. I ain't gonna do your bird bidding.